Isn't it a lovely sight? But have you ever wondered why the leaves change color in the fall? Now, the primary reason for this is that they need to be ready for winter. In reality, a variety of pigment molecules can be found in a single leaf. The combination of pigment molecules that makes up a leaf determines its color. When there is a lot of chlorophyll, the leaves are green. Underlying orange and yellow pigments appear when the amount of chlorophyll is lower. So when the temperature drops, some plants begin to produce even red and purple pigment. Trees that have leaves that change color in fall are deciduous, and there are three main factors which affect leaf color, which are light, temperature, and pH. Now during fall the days are shorter, which means less direct sunlight for trees, and therefore the chlorophyll break down in the leaves. And when the plants produce less chlorophyll, the green color disappears because chlorophyll degrades at a steady rate. Thus, the pigments such as carotenoids, which were hidden during the warmer months, become apparent when there is less chlorophyll. A chemical change causes the leaves to turn a darker shade of red. New colors called anthocyanin that were present in the leaf during the growing season are produced by sugars that can become trapped in the leaves. Red leaves are likely to be produced by certain trees such as dogwoods and oaks. These anthocyanin basically help the plants from the damaging effects of cold. So if you do like our video, do like, share and